3, 2, 1, go. 6 left, 100. 7 left minus 30. Long 5 right plus tightens 30. 5 right tightens. 5 left tightens long 4 plus tightens 4 plus 60. 6 right minus over small crest tightens long 5 minus 30. 6 right plus 6 left minus long 4 right plus 40. Long 5 left minus 30. 5 right plus 80. 6 right plus 80. Small crest into 6 left plus tightens 5 plus 30. 5 right plus 40. 6 left minus opens. 6 left again 60. Long 5 right minus. Long 4 left. 4 left here.
Yeah.
5 right plus. Care 40, crest 30, 4 right plus. 6 left. K60. Longs 5 left plus, opens long. 30. Small crest into long 6 left. 30, 5 right plus. 5 right plus there. Short 6 left. Long 6 right, 30. Short 7 left plus over small crest into long 6 right plus, tightens 4. Tightens 4 here, opens. 40. 4 left plus. 4 left plus here, don't go wide. 30. 5 right plus, it's long 2 left here, sorry. Sorry, late there. 30, short 5 left. 30, 4 right plus. 60. 4 right, 30. 6 right. 4 left plus. 4. 5 right plus, 50. 4 right plus. 4 right plus here, care 30. 5 left plus, tightens long 4. Tightens long 4 here. 5 right plus. 30, 5 right. 5 left. 5 right minus. 5 left. Long 5 right minus. K80 past junction. 5 right minus, 30. 4 left. 4 left here, 30. 5 right plus. 40. 5 left plus. K80. There's a big bump in the straight here on the 80. 7 left plus, 60, and 4 left, tightens. 150. Small crest, 50. Very long, 6 left past junction, 150. 50 up to the crest. 6 left past junction, yeah. 150. 8 left, 250. 8 left, 250. 7 right minus, 200.
7 right minus.
Yep, 200. And a long 7 left minus, tightens. You're right, you got it, you got it. 200 here.
Yeah,
Long 7 left minus, tightens, 80. Long 8 left, K150. Tightens and then go, yep.
Yeah,
long 8 left here, K150. Kinks 150. 6 right. At the top, 6 right, 5 left plus. 5 right minus. 5 left minus. 4 right plus. At the top is a 4 right plus. Nice. K120. 4 right at the top, opens long. And a long 4 left plus 30. Long 6 right minus, tightens late. Long 7 left minus, opens and tightens late, 200. Where it tightens up here and then 200. Nice. 8 left over small crest. 8 left over small crest. 8 left over small crest. Yeah, go, you're good. 200. 6 left plus over small crest. 200. 6 left. Very long, 7 right, 120. 6 left plus. Repeat, 6 left plus 40. Long, 7 right plus, tightens 6 plus, K60, 6 right, opens long, 150. 6 right opens long here, 150. Small crest, K300, 300 after the crest, 6 left plus, 100. Kicks 300 here, yep. You got it? Nice. Yep. 6 left plus at the top, 100. 6 left. 6 left here, 6 right minus, 300 past 2 junctions. 7 right, 30, long 6 left minus. Long 6 left minus here. 30, 6 right minus, 7 left. 30, 7 right, 30. 6 left minus opens, 50, 6 left minus opens here, 50. 5 right, 120. 5 right minus, 50. 5 left, 30, 6 right, 80. 6 right tightens 5, 6 right here, 6 right tightens 5. 60. Long 7 left plus, opens, tightens, long 6 plus, 50. Tightens 6 plus here. 6 right minus. 30, long 5 left, open, tightens late here. Tightens late, yep. 6 right minus, 5 left. 6 right tightens long, 5. 5 left plus. 5 left plus here, 6 right, 30. Long 6 left minus, 30. 5 right plus. 40. 6 left plus. 40. Long 5 right minus, tightens, 30. 6 left minus. Yeah boy, 50. Long 4 left plus. Here is a long 4 left plus, tightens, caution. 30. Yeah! Long 5 right opens, 50. 6 right plus. 40. Yeah. Long 5 left plus, tightens, sorry. 5 left plus, tightens here. 50. 7 right minus, tightens. 60. And a 5 left. 5 left there. Long 5 right plus. 30. Short 7 left minus, long 6 right. 30. 6 right here, 30. 5 left minus, 40. 5 left minus here, 40. 5 left plus. 5 right plus. Long 6 left minus. 5 right minus. 6 left plus. K80 past junction, 6 left plus. 60. 7 right, long 6 left, 50. 6 right minus, 40. 7 left minus, 30. Long 6 left minus, small crest, K80, 5 left. Small crest, K80, 5 left, 100. 5 left here. Thanks, nice one. Small crest, that's a long 4 right plus, 50. Remember the 4 right's just after the crest here, deceptive. Yep. 4 left plus. 4 left plus here, 4 right minus. 6 left plus. 60. 5 left plus. This is 5 left? Yep, 5 left. Oh, surely. Well done. Yep. 6 right minus, K80. Yep. Long 6 left, 80. 6 left here, 80. Small crest into 6 right plus, tightens 5. 50. Tightens 5 here. 5 left plus, tightens 4. Tightens 4, 80. Nice. 6 left plus. Short 6 right plus. 60, 3 right tightens. 3 right tightens here. 40. 4 left plus. Opens, tightens, 5 right plus. 5 4 left, oh tightens here, 5 right plus here. 40, 6 right plus.
6 right.
6 right plus, 8,
Yep.
8 left, 120. Punch it, 5 right, 60. 4 left plus. 4 left plus here, opens, 80. Short 6 left into 2 right. Short 6 left into 2 right here. 2 right. Long 4 left. 40. 6 right. 30. 4 left here. 6 right 40, 5 right. Sorry, 5 right here. 4 left. 4 left here.
Yeah.
K50, Kia 6 left plus 30, 5 right plus, tightens 4 plus. Tightens 4 plus here. 40, 4 right plus 30, and it gets narrow here. 5 left minus. K80, 6 left. 120, small crest 80. Okay, 6 left here, 120, small crest 80, yep. Small crest 30, 6 right over small crest, 30.
Next one.
6 right K80. 6 right here, long 4 right plus at the end. 4 right plus tightens.
4 right, yeah.
4 right plus tightens here, long. 4 left, long 4 left, 40. 4 left plus, 30. 5 right opens, 40. Bridge, 60. Long small crest, 40. 6 left plus 30, Kia bridge, 7 left.
Oh, yep.
Yep. Kia bridge, 7 left. Long 5 right plus, 5 right plus, sorry, crest. 100, 5 left opens, 30. 6 right plus 40. 6 right plus 40 is 7 right plus over small crest 200. Yep. Long 7 left into crest K150. Care braking 5 plus over 5 right plus over small crest. Sorry, 5 left plus over small crest into 5 right plus. Yep. 30, 6 left minus 60. 7 right plus over finish. Care 60, 4 right plus. Well done.
Nice.
Good stage, mate.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, that's hard work.
Yeah. Definitely more committed that time round.
Yeah, everyone will be though.
Yeah.
I have to smash the water, bro. I'm getting like cramp in my leg. Far out.